Yep. Make another one.
Is there another 4?
No, I don't see another 4.
Oh.
The only reason you got 2 6s is because one's actually a 9.
Wait, what's the 9? That one is yes.
Yay, good girl. Make another one.
Okay, it's tiring me out, but oh well. I'm gonna use this one for a 9.
Okay.
And this one. Then
Yay, good job. That's
it's 9
awesome.
and a 9.
Yep.
I made it 9s.
Yeah.
They're actually 6s,
Yep.
but you can make them into 9s.
Yeah.
Yep. Now let's make another one. Is there any more 3s?
Nope.
7s?
Nope.
Dang it. Any more 0s? Oh, I got one. This is yes then.
Is that right?
Yeah, because that one's more than 0, and I was making yes then.
But which way does the alligator mouth eat? Yep, you did it. Yay.
Let me take
Stop.
a
No,
picture.
we're all done.